What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another vlog. Yeah, look, honestly, been a long time. Not even gonna dwell on that or talk about how it's been a long time because it has. Because I just haven't had anything to do with the car, to be honest. And there's no drift events at the moment. Well, there will be some coming up, but yeah. Anyway, hope you are doing well. It's been a long time. We're currently taking my passenger and my driver's side headlight out. Reason being is that there's water which is starting to get inside. It also needs, as you probably see by the haze, a really good buff cut detail, get rid of all that shit that's on top. What I'll also be doing is resealing it. Plan is just to seal it in and around here, just to prevent sort of any water potentially getting inside. I'm also thinking that there's the main spot where it's coming in from basically is where the Parker light is. Because I don't have any guard liners on the car, and when the water flicks up off the tyre, seems to be getting in here, and basically what it does is it just comes in here and basically washes across. So what I'm thinking is if I take it off, reseal it, should be good as gold. It is quite a common issue with the 110s. I know of a few friends of mine that have got 110s that have got the same issue with water getting in the headlight. Speaking with them, they've tried the same thing and it hasn't worked. So I guess I'll just give it a go and see how it happens. I don't really want to pull the whole headlight apart. That's sort of a last resort. Worst comes to worst, I will be putting them in the oven, giving them a bake, and then cracking them open, and then giving it obviously a deep, thorough clean. But for the meantime, what we're going to do now is I'm going to put you guys down, start getting these lights out. There are three spots. So there's a bolt on top and a bolt on top, and there is one literally right behind underneath. We'll need a 10mm for this job. There is a clip. To be honest, just yet it out, break it, who cares? Like, you've got 3 anchor points, so it doesn't really matter. And make sure you obviously disconnect all the lights. So I want to put you guys down, quickly smash this out, and let's see if there's any water that comes out of the headlight.
Coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with.
So unfortunately, the dreaded fucking stupid bumper fucking shit. Yeah, just gotta be really careful when you take this shit out. I've broken it before. Pretty sure this side's alright, like it's still strong as shit because I had a mate of mine come help me out and reseal it. Oh, sorry, reseal, but re-plastic weld it. The other side though, I'm very worried because I remember when I put this bar back on recently when I got my HIDs changed, it was already pretty weak. But fuck, it is what it is at the end of the day. I've got some shit at work that might work. But to be honest, worst comes to worst, I'm just gonna have to re-plastic weld it again and use whatever the shit I can get from Bunnings, and the bar will be off for a bit, or it'll just be sagging on one side. Like it is what it is. The way these bars are designed in the JZX110s is really, really poor. Like that's just why is that there? And you got to literally reach right up and in to get it. I don't know why. Look at the 100s, for example. Obviously, 100s is God's car. But yeah, I just don't know. It's just shit. But anyway, I'm going to quickly rip this bar off and then I'll show you how to get the headlights out. Yeah, pain in the ass. I'm doing this once. I'm going to do it again for sure. Alright, so we're currently at the stage of, yeah, the worst. As I suspected, the clip's broken again. One side's like mint, but the other side is completely like fucked. So this side, yeah, I'm gonna have to basically re-plastic it all here and weld it and make it mint. I'll copy what my mate did because I watched it. But this side is still quite sturdy. It's one of those things you gotta do once, do right, don't do it again. If water gets in these lights after I do all this, I swear to God, there will be a JZX110 on Marketplace for sale because I'm just fucking over this car. I love it, but it's just, I don't know. If you've got an S14 or 13, hit me up. I might buy it. Yeah, if it's in good condition. All right, so we successfully got the headlights out of the 110. I wouldn't actually put this on my worst enemy to try and take out. It's just an absolute head fuck. It's annoying. It's really messy. as you can see, because I'm running no guard liners, there is a lot of dirt that tends to build up, obviously all inside there. On both sides actually, it's quite dirty all around, so probably a good opportunity to give it a good clean as well, and just tidy it up. The biggest prick was this little bolt just there, that one. That's the real pain to get to and access. Once you do get that, it's pretty straightforward to take out, and just gotta unplug all the switches and connectors. Like I said, we're gonna go around to my neighbors actually tomorrow, and they're gonna help me basically polish it all up and give it a good silicone around the headlight. Hopefully that stops it from getting water in. I've got a real funny feeling, and this is just a suspicion. When I did get the HIDs changed recently, what I noticed was that the water came, a lot of water came out of the parking lights. Now I think that what that meant was that it's because I'm running no guard lines, like I said earlier, the water's flicking up and it's pooling there, and it's just seeping through the seal, because obviously the seal's not big enough to prevent, you know, everything going in through it. So obviously there's a little bit of water getting in there, but over time, you know, it's become more consistent. The other problem I'm noticing as well is that when I do wash the car, so if I'm spraying it here, or, you know, giving it a good wash, if I'm soap foaming it, a lot of water tends to then come in and run down sort of the side. I'll show what I mean right now. Right, so if I was to give you the most perfect example, when I'm washing the car, so I'm spraying across like that, what tends to happen is then the water will pull up and come down on an angle. As you can see, it's got a lot of like haze, which looks like it's on the outside. There is still a little bit of water that's actually sitting just in here. So what I'm thinking is most certainly happening is that it's coming in through these top little two. So obviously your indicator and your top parker. That's where I think the water's getting in. What I wanted to show you, which was really crazy, is this. So this side, perfect, no problem. If you have a look at this side, something's melted through here, which is not great, because that's your ballast right there for your HID, which obviously connects up here and then feeds it in through there. So is that why potentially my HIDs were playing up? I'm not too sure. I'm definitely going to have to cover that up, because that's obviously exposed, and if any water gets in there, which I guarantee it probably has in the last 3 weeks, Melbourne's weather is ridiculous. One day it's sunny, one day it's rainy. I reckon there's water that's gotten in there, so definitely going to give that a bit of a touch up. It's going to be polished up. It's going to look sick. And then we've also obviously in this video got to retouch up the bumper bar again. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow at my friend's house. So we'll see you then. All right, guys, what I've actually decided is I'm going to make this a 2-part vlog. In the next video, you will see me restoring the headlights with my neighbours, as well as resealing them, and then we're also going to be putting obviously the car back together and fixing the bumper bar. So stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.